Hello everyone, we're back with Glen Velvet Reviews again, and we're going to do the install of the light. I just did the unboxing, as you could see, and then we're going to do the install. Technically, I should have a box in the back of this, but this is how I bought the house, and like I said, I got it inspected and everything, and that was it. The ceiling looks uneven, right? It looks smaller on one side than the other, but whatever, who cares? I'm gonna probably have to notch that out though, right? And go up with the electric, because that's definitely not high enough. I want the electric to be pretty much as high as it could be, almost to the ceiling, is what I'm gonna want. So let's cut that out. I don't have a saw, but I can just use that maybe and hammer it, I don't know. Maybe I can just use this and hammer it. Alright, so we made that long. We're going to have that go in the wall all the way up here, I'm guessing. Let's see how high we could put this in. Alright guys, we are back with the install. I moved the cabinet over, center lined it. Those holes that are there, I'm gonna have to silicone them up with white so they blend in. I hit the stud in that left corner, which is cool, so I hit that, so that's gonna keep that on there nice and strong. And I built a little round thing up there, as you see, to make an extra, what's it called? An extra, inch and a half of space away from the wall. This way it'll really shine down on the here, and there won't be any shadows, and you can really see what's going on. If I could do it before and after, I guarantee you'll notice a lot more, light going on the sink and stuff like that. All right, so this is the base. We're gonna put this on. Pretty much, you see, I already got that down to it. So I'm gonna pre-drill. We're gonna get this base in here. Damn, I didn't bring down those other... Yeah, I did. They're right here. I'm going to put in another one in this corner because it's lifted up and I don't like the way it looks. Okay, so now I have that in there. That's pretty much what that is going to look like. Now let's get the wire nuts. They gave us a couple. I'm not a fan of using the... Oh, I got yellow on there. Ha-ha, I'm just going to use the yellow ones because I'm going to have better luck with those. Let's shave this up a little bit. And, I like to make the wires a little bit longer of the softer ones. Now, there's no ground on this light. I think it's because, like I said, LED, there's not high voltage, so I guess they don't really put grounds. So I don't see a ground on here, so I don't know if we're going to be really using that. But let's... Okay, so let's tuck these wires into the wall where we want them. Okay, in the wall. Okay, so you're supposed to make them tight. Got it. Alright, so that's done. Let's see if we can get the bottom one on. The bottom screw first, and then it'll make the top one easier. I'm righty. So this is the little screw that you have to put on the bottom. And if I attach it to this bit, I think it'll be easier for me to get in. See, I'm in a very tight space. Otherwise, yes. This. Oh God, look at this. Did you see that? That was so funny. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's open this up. We'll rest it on here. I'm going to get my angle screw my angle bit, and I'll be right back. Let me get my angle bit. That's my problem. My angle bit. All right, guys. Installation is all complete. It took me a little bit to get it in. I'm sorry I didn't do the review, but I didn't want to waste your time. I had to use this angle bit to get it in. Just to let you know, because I had no clearance, so I had to do that. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I wanted mine to come out over the over the mirror, and I think I did a good job by adding that back to it and making it come out an extra. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's gonna have no shadow on the bottom now. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like at the bottom right now, so you guys will see what's up and what I'm trying to light up, so you see if it worked. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at right there, and how dark it is. Sorry, I don't feel good for some reason. I feel very dizzy. I didn't eat anything all day. I think that's why I feel very dizzy. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on so we can finish up the review. That's the installation on it. This is what it's going to look like. Alright, so that's what it looks like. These things move left or right, up or down. So I'm just going to put them straight for now. Very bright. Look how bright it made everything in here. It's crazy how much brighter it is. See? Now look down. And see, I got a lot more light now. So I'm happier that I extended it, what I did. I think I did a good job doing that. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the review of that installation, all the mumbo jumbo. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright? Well, thanks a lot, guys. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.